Hi Stampers, my name is Twila Davis from over at stampalitttlelonger.com, and today I have a fun corner bookmark card that I'm going to show you how to make. And this is not my original idea. It's just a fun card that I thought you might enjoy having the instructions for. So it just has a little bookmark that you can stick in a book, just kind of a little gift with a card. Okay, so let's get started. So for the card base, you're going to need a piece of paper cut at 5.5 by 4 1/4. You're also going to need one of the same color at 4.5 by 3 1/2. You're going to need some white paper cut at 6.5 by 4 1/4, and you're going to score that at 3 1/4 on the long side. You're also going to need a 1 3/4 by 1 3/4 piece of the white. Okay, pattern paper. It also needs to be double-sided. You're going to need a piece 5 1/4 by 4. You're going to need a 5 by 5 square. Okay. And you're also going to need a piece 3 inches long by 7/16 inch. Okay, so after we've got that cut, we're going to take our 4.5 by 3 1/2 piece of the colored cardstock, and we're going to cut a circle out of that. And my circle measures 2 3/4. I used dies. If you have a punch that size, that'll work too. Okay, so we're just going to punch that out, and you're not going to see that hole, so we're just kind of saving cardstock. We're also going to need to cut out a white circle, 2 1/4 inch. Okay, we're going to stamp. You're going to stamp your greeting on the front of the 6.5 by 4 1/4 inch piece of paper, and that little strip that you cut of the DSP, if you will just kind of lay it down at the bottom and then stamp your saying, it will kind of help you know where to place your stamped saying. Okay. On that 5 by 5 square, you're going to fold that. Let's pretend that this is together. We're going to fold it sideways, in half this way, and then you're going to rotate it, and you're going to fold it in half the other way. Okay. You're going to cut this piece off, one of the squares out. Then you're going to fold your pieces like this, and we're going to tape these together. This is where I got confused when I was watching another paper card maker do this. So you flap this one flap over, this one goes like this. Okay, you flip it over, and where there's only one thickness, you fold that back. Okay, so that basically makes your little your bookmark. Okay, now onto this, you're going to put the circle, making sure that you're only putting your tape on half of that. You don't want it on the sticky part. Okay, and it goes there. You're going to stamp and cut out an image. Okay, so I've got the little gnome girl here, and we're going to just put her onto that. You could do flowers, you could do whatever. Okay, so that's like that. Let's put your card together. So see, you're not even going to know that that's there. Because this covers it up. Put your little strip here. Your circle's going to go in the corner all the way up here. So you want to make sure, and you could even maybe put your circle, lay it down and not attach it and stamp, so you make sure that you don't get your saying up underneath that circle, right? Okay, so the square that was left from your 5x5 piece of paper, you cut it down to, let's see, what was that? You cut it down to 2x2. Okay, on your little piece of 1 3/4 by 1 3/4 white, you're going to stamp a little saying, and we're going to glue it. We might as well, use all the scraps, right? So we're going to put this here, just fancies it up a little bit. I'm going to stick it in here. Now for this bookmark, if you want to put a little bit of ribbon, I can get my tape to going. I should have put that on there before I put that girl on there. Put it in here. Flip that. Then that you can kind of pull it off. Okay. Goes just like that. And you are done. Makes just a fun little card. I've got some adhesive on that. Let's get that off. Where's my eraser, right? Like that. Okay? I hope you guys have enjoyed my video and have a good day. Bye.